Good morning, good morning, good morning. I've had these braids in my hair for at least 3 days. A braid out has been requested, and I am now honoring your request. I'll put your name here if you told me you were looking forward to a braid out from this, because I did an updo, and I also have already did a video where I wrapped my hair to go out one day. So it's been 3 days with these braids, and I am ready to take it out. Now let's see what's going to happen. But before that, let me thank you for all the support you've been giving me in January and December. Thank you. Continue. Thank you to assist me in reaching my goal of 1,000. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for commenting on my videos. I really enjoy the interaction between you and me. I just love it. That's why I comment on your videos, because I love the interaction. So let's reciprocate. Let's support each other. Now, let's get to this braid out. Oh, wow. Look at that. I am not going to I'm not going to run my fingers all through it. I'm going to leave these big waves in my hair. My hair is done. It took me less than 5 minutes to take those braids out. Did you see that technique of taking out braids? I had forgotten about it. I used that technique when I was a loose natural because it takes a while to take braids out. And so then I wanted you to see that there was a quicker way to do it. And so I'm going to show you that technique again. I love this braid out. I hope you do too. This is, yeah, my hair for today. And I'm going to rock this hair. I am going to rock this hair. I hadn't said that in a long time. But this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I thank Him every day for His goodness, His mercy, and His favor. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Have a great day.